Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's going to be a really fast tutorial. So here is a typical chocolate mold. You can buy these on Amazon or at your local craft store. Most people will just keep the mold like this and just fill each side with chocolate and create their little mold that way. But a lot of people don't realize is that there's a little line going all the way down the middle of the mold, and there are these little pieces of plastic that have been turned into little circles, and you're kind of wondering and going, what's that for? Well, these are little pointers to line up the mold. And basically what you do is you just cut the mold right in half, which I'm going to do now. I'm just going to grab my scissors. So what you want to do, it really doesn't matter if you're accurate or not, just go down the middle. I'll show you how this works. Because I've had a few comments that people didn't realize that this is how the mold works. Cut it like that. And look, now you've got two sections here, and what you do is you put them together like this. And you line up those two little holes here, just like that. So you've got the larger hole here, smaller one here that's, sticking out. This one here is indented. And they line up and they grab onto one another, and now when you look at the mold, it's perfectly aligned, just like that. Now, in order to get your little clips on here and very close, you need to just trim this out a little bit, which I'll do now. So if you're not creating little 3D characters, there's no need to do this. I'm just going to do this. So let's bring in our little things here. So you fill your mold with chocolate, which way you want to do it, and then you just get these on here. Line them up just like that. There we go. And that mold now is ready to be chilled. And now you can see how that is supposed to work. So to give you an example of how this little mold works, I've filled it with chocolate and then I put it in the freezer for about 1 hour. And let's see how well this little mold works. So I'm going to remove my little clips. And these clips here are paper binder clips. You can get them at a lot of office supply stores. I'm just remove that, and let's see. Let's hope we get a nice little break. And look at that. Oh, isn't that nice? Flip them over. Oh, perfect. And there we go. Hopefully he's going to stand up. Yep, there he is. Our little 3D Easter bunny. If I tilt them down a little bit, you'll see that a little better. Look at that. You can see the nice seam on here. Isn't that nice? Now you know your children are going to have fun breaking this apart. Oh yeah. Dip that in a little bit of peanut butter. Oh, so good. So that's how easy it is to prepare one of these little 3D chocolate molds. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.